this is Eric, and I met Hannah here, and we are in line at, now I always screw the name up, it's
Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Convention.
Thank you very much. And we are waiting in this very interesting looking building, and Hannah, you were explaining to me what this building is.
This building, as I was telling this gentleman here, so the ride itself is in the Forbidden Forest. We're taking you to Care of Magical Creatures class, but this building in particular, these are ruins outside of Hogwarts, you see. Where should I look? Is the Muggle camera?
Yes, it's over that
here.
direction.
Very
yes,
sorry.
So,
this building, these are ruins outside of Hogwarts, and as you can see, if you would like to show them, there is a lot of graffiti from students of Hogwarts, past and present. Lots of magical creatures graffiti, because this here, as I seem to see, seems to be the hot hangout spot for the students. They seem to, enjoy it quite a lot, as you can see. We have some dragons here. There's a couple different types of magical birds in that room. We've got some cages above there. So this whole building, there are places students like to come to, but also Hagrid himself is using this as a makeshift Care of Magical Creatures classroom. So that's what we're doing. We're taking you to class. I'm a caretaker myself, and I'm trying to help all of you students to class. So if you come here, you'll see a lot of us trying to get you places. So
thank you very much. Oh, and you have your outfit, a special outfit.
My outfit. So I have some armor here to protect me from some of the creatures, because Cornish pixies, they bite, I've got some gloves here to help me handle the blasted scroots. I don't have all of my armor today, so I'm very sorry for that. I was a little unprepared, but it's okay because I'm not chasing the scroots.
Awesome. Well, there was something Hagrid may have played with. He made his own creature. Am I allowed to talk about that?
Allowed to talk about
that. All right.
So, on the low, just so you guys know, if you don't know what a blasted scroot is, a blasted scroot is actually a combination of a manticore and a fire crab. So Hagrid crossbred the two of them, and thus was born the blasted scroot. So you won't actually find them anywhere but here. They're very unpredictable. Even I don't know how to handle them, and I'm a bit of a professional. Not to brag, kind of my job. So they're a little loose right now, hence the delay. Because they get lost sometimes. They're very unpredictable because they are the combination of two very unpredictable magical creatures. So, not the easiest of creatures to tame.
So I'll keep an eye out for one of those. So.
1, 2.
Oh no! Please. So I won't keep you. Thank you very, very much.
No problem.
And all right, we'll see everybody soon. Thanks for watching.
Bye, students.